Okay, hi. After a while, I have come out for trail riding alone. I came here by foot because the road was much steep at the first. I didn't want to pressure the horse a lot, and also there's our out dogs. You can see them there. I brought. This is Kajal. Hi, Kajal. Say hi to Kajal. I brought Kajal's phones too, but at the middle of the way he returned back. I think he's a little bit. She was a little bit nervous, and he got back. I think she will be fine because there are some guys there back at the club. They will took care of him and they will put him in her box. Now I'm going to ride Kajal and go horse riding from here. Less confidence about the riding, be more sensitive to the surrounding sounds, objects. You have to be more supportive and more caring for him. And this is true about Kajal too. She's not our most confident horse, but she's good and had a good ride until now. And I hope it will go the same. Bringing out dogs, I believe, from my experience, really helps. It doesn't make them feel alone. You have to talk to them. Also, talking to your horse helps too. I really like this part of the trail. Spring, there's blossoms, and most of the places are green. We are in a city called Khamne. Kajal is good. I'm having a good ride. They keep cows and sheep there. This goes to the center of the city. We have to go there. We are going by this road. Going back. Hey! Cantering. Hey! Hey! Came canter a lot. The horses, the dogs are back. They haven't reached us yet. We are now going back. I think there's a half an hour left to reaching the horse club. Beautiful. It's all yellow there. Okay, I came down, we are near home. I came down to give a bit of rest. The last few 100 meters that left to the club, give a rest to the Kajal. We cantered the way back. He's a bit tired now. Kajal, hello. Came back, took the saddle off, and letting the horse wet to dry. And this is his hair foal, which came back from middle of the way. Middle, not a bit. A bit that we went. She came back. That's the saddle. That's our other horses. I have to wash his hands and feet, cool him off, and let him back. The dogs are eating their food. The foal. His name is Shirin. Why didn't you came with us? You are scared? You will come next time, no worries.